Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to fix the emoji keyboard not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone, go to the general option. From there, then the keyboard option from the down, tap on it, make sure emoji is listed. If not, tap add new keyboards from the keyboard section, tap on it, select emoji and then check again. If it's still not working, try force restarting your iPhone. To do this, quickly press the volume up button and release and down button same, and press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This will restart your phone's software without deleting any of your data. If that didn't work, go to settings, then the general, then scroll down and find the transfer or reset iPhone option, then tap the reset option, then tap the reset keyboard dictionary option. If the emoji keyboard is still acting up, check for software update in the settings section in the general option, and you can see the software update. If any update is available, just install it. Lastly, if you recently installed any third-party keyboards, try deleting them. They can sometimes interfere with their emoji keyboard. Follow these steps and hopefully your emoji keyboard will be working again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.